This is our faux internet router. Looks extremely realistic. You have your Cat5 plugs in the back, so if I was setting it up, I'd plug a few cables in and maybe even plug one in some other router. But you have your hidden camera right up front. You have a 32 gigabyte SD card that can get you up to about 50 hours of recording, but you can always change the settings in the system to get motion activated, so then you could get several weeks. Also, it plugs into power, so you basically just set it and forget it. Once powered on, the rest of the setup is on your phone. Download the AllCam 365 app. Once you launch it, make a free account. Tap the plus, tap scan QR code, and then scan the QR code on the bottom of the device. Next, you'll show the QR code that's on your phone to the camera that's in your new hidden device. Wait for a minute, it'll recognize and automatically load. Once you've added that, you can tap into the live stream, you can review recordings, you can change all the settings. With this camera, you can expect full 1080p HD video with an embedded camera that captures 90-degree field of view. If you want to check out this product, go to SpyCentre.com or give us a call at 800-292-7748.